Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you're watching to the Market Watch review. While most Asia-Pacific bourses were mixed in 2018, the markets of South Korea and Taiwan continue to rise and lead the region. Stoxx 600 Europe is recovering from a 3-day loss and has a 0.75% increase. Futures in the U.S. are mixed. Meta's earnings have helped to lift the Nasdaq. Today's dollar selling has been limited, and there is a slight recovery ahead of the Bank of England meeting and European Central Bank meeting. Yesterday's outside down day for March WTI saw it fall to $7 per barrel. It is consolidating today at the lower end yesterday's range. Asian Pacific market. This month's focus is on the nomination of 2 deputies to the Bank of Japan and Governor Kuroda's replacement. Hiroshi Nakaso, former deputy governor, was elected earlier today to the APEC financial advisory body. Yesterday, the dollar traded at JPY 130.40 and fell to JPY 128.55 in response to the Federal Reserve. The yen was supported by broad dollar weakness and sharp falls in U.S. yields. Follow-up dollar selling sent the dollar slightly below JPY 128.20, its lowest level since January 19. Today, the Australian dollar climbed a little more to almost $0.7160. Markets are leaning towards a 25 BP increase when the central bank meets next week. Market of Europe. Today, it is all about the Bank of England and the European Central Bank. Most likely, the Bank of England will raise 50 BP. We noted that large banks have changed their calls to 25 BP. Sterling would be under pressure if the Bank of England delivered that. This is the same reason that the dollar fell yesterday. The ECB is the most hawkish among the three. Lagarde, president of the ECB, has committed to a 50 BP increase today. Yesterday's euro price was $1.10, a jump from the consolidation range that it had been stuck in. It was almost 1.1035 after follow-through buying, but it is now being offered in Europe. Sterling, for its part, remains in the well-worn ranges. Market of America. This pattern is still valid. Initial market reaction was hawkish, mainly due to the reference to future rises, which is plural. The market was not convinced by Chair Powell, and it quickly reversed. This sent yields and dollar lower and stocks higher. Today, the U.S. reports its fourth quarter unit labor costs. Canada releases December building permits. Yesterday's sharp decline in the U.S. dollar post-FOMC saw it drop to almost CAD 1.3265, which is its lowest level since November. The dollar was slightly lower than 1.3260 today, but has now rebounded to 1.3295. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.